2017 Toyota Camry. Problem was the two fans were not working. You try everything, they will not activate the two fans. What happens on the 2.5 engine, the fan is controlled by this relay box, and this relay box is in the fuse box, this box right here. There's a green cable that comes out. The green cable that comes out from under here goes to this first section here. That's the supply voltage to the power, and then outputs to the red cable on the fan on this side. Basically, there was no power with our test light from this relay box to here. We actually swapped it out. They had a donor one with the exact same part number, as you can see, and that took care of the problem. And now both fans are working. Quick tip for you, if you have an issue like this on a Camry where the fans are not working. Anyway, if you didn't know this, now you know, and no one has have to battle. Click that thumbs up.